Welcome to Auto Drive Hub, where we bring you the latest updates and reviews on the most elite and futuristic cars around the globe. Today we are exploring the ultra-luxurious 2025 Rolls Royce Spectre, a vehicle that redefines electric mobility with the elegance and craftsmanship expected from the Rolls Royce badge. The Spectre is the brand's first fully electric super coupe, and it sets an all-new benchmark in the realm of high-end electric vehicles, combining silence, power and grace into one bold statement of luxury. Underneath its sculpted hood, the 2025 Spectre features a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup producing around 577 horsepower and 900 nanometers of torque. This allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 4.5 seconds. Despite its grand size and weight, powered by a large 102 kWh battery, the Spectre boasts a range of approximately 520 km on a single charge, thanks to its highly efficient drivetrain and aerodynamic design. Its smooth fastback silhouette and split headlight design give it a striking presence while maintaining the signature Rolls-Royce elegance. Inside, the cabin luxury is on full display with handcrafted leather-detailed wood veneers and illuminated starlight doors that add a celestial charm to the experience. The digital dashboard is seamlessly integrated with bespoke software called Spirit, which allows the driver to personalize every aspect of the driving and cabin experience, from ride quality to ambient lighting. The Spectre is not just a car, it is an experience tailored to your lifestyle and personality. The suspension system has been engineered to deliver the trademark magic carpet ride by using advanced sensors and predictive technology to adjust the dampers before the car hits any road imperfections. The ride remains unshaken and truly serene. The chassis is based on Rolls-Royce's new all-aluminum architecture of luxury, providing both rigidity and lightness where needed to balance performance and comfort. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision and 360-degree cameras are integrated to ensure a smooth and safe drive in any condition. Every detail of the 2025 Spectre has been crafted to blend tradition with technology, offering a glimpse into the future of ultra-luxury EVs. Make sure to subscribe to Auto Drive Hub for more insights into the world's most extraordinary cars. Your support helps us bring you closer to the vehicles of tomorrow.